A warm welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Doug from Best Tech TV. Today we're going to be checking out the latest application of artificial intelligence technology in the writing world. As we all know, whether it's for blog or YouTube script or otherwise a simple article, writing coherently and the overall content creation can take up a chunk of our time. But thanks to the latest artificial intelligence technologies, we're able to automate these jobs via web tools that use machine learning to come up with the most suitable content for whatever applications we need. So, today we will go through 5 online tools our team selected and uses that are built for content creators. Before we get into it, as always, if you like the content we put out, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It helps us grow the channel and put out more contents like this. So, without further ado, let's go to number 1.
Say hey to Jarvis. Your AI writing assistant makes it fast and easy to write content for your blog, social media, website copy, and more. Writer's block have you stuck? Not anymore. Now you can scale up content 5 times faster using AI. So, how does Jarvis work? Get started at Jarvis.ai. Once you're in, choose from over 50 different writing skills Jarvis already knows. Simply tell Jarvis about what you're selling, and then press generate. Instantly before your eyes, watch Jarvis write content for you. Since Jarvis has read about 10% of the internet, it knows all about your niche and is trained by expert marketers to write emotional, persuasive copy. Do you want to write high-quality blog content fast? Then activate Boss Mode. This lets you command Jarvis directly in documents like, "Hey Jarvis, write a paragraph about aliens in the tone of voice of Joe Rogan." Haha, dang, look at that. Now you just got to make your edits, rephrase, and then generate your next paragraph. It's that fast and easy. Jarvis writes original content that's plagiarism-free, optimized for SEO, and drives sales. That's why Jarvis is rated 5 stars and over 1,000 reviews.
For the first time ever, we have content that's actually really ranking, and that's because we're using Jarvis.
You've probably seen copy already that was written by it, and it's so good that even I have seen copy that's written by it and never realized. You might be watching my ads and have no idea that 90% of the work for that ad was done by this tool. It's so cool.
I can do so much more, so much faster because I'm cutting out a lot of the legwork in the copywriting, which is staring at the blank page and wondering what the heck I'm going to write about, right?
Imagine what you could accomplish with an AI assistant. Join over 30,000 people in the Jarvis Nation. Get started now at Jarvis.ai.
Content creation in itself is hard. Ideation shouldn't be. Pepper Content is launching Peppertype.ai that creates quality content for you in seconds. Here are some of the cool things you can do with Peppertype.ai. Generate hundreds of blog ideas for your brand within seconds. Marketing ideas? Not sure about your next social media post? Need a product description for your amazing e-commerce store? Ad copies? Growth hacks for your brand and whatnot. Peppertype to the rescue. Let's try out generating blog ideas for a company setup such as Zoom. So what Peppertype essentially does is that it takes input about your product or brand and tries to generate relevant content. Now, once I hit generate, it gives me various blog ideas that I can edit, copy, or bookmark it and save it for later. Impressive, right? Now let's try generating some social media captions for my vacation picture I'm about to upload. And hit generate. Sweet. Our primary focus with Peppertype is to soon add every possible form of short-form content and integrate it with our Pepper Content platform to build a seamless and end-to-end content creation, management, and distribution for every company and content creator out there. Peppertype.ai. Create quality content in seconds.
If you don't know where to start with your content, or you're faced with brain freezes all the time, no worries, meet Typely.ai, the new revolutionary AI writer, content generator, and SEO checker that can help you save time and write smarter. With Typely.ai, you can create any content you want using our Generate AI content feature. The procedure is simple. To start a new project, first we need to give it a title. Then we proceed by writing our content. With the help of AI, you can type any content in the text editor here. For example, how to write SEO-friendly content. The next step is to select this text. Click on Generate AI Content button and wait for Typely to do its magic. The app serves as an all-arounder, as it has many writing options you can use in case you don't necessarily have a particular writing plan in mind. In addition, you can add images, videos, construct your content by choosing headings, colors, quotation mark, etc. Last but definitely not least is SEO Checker. Typely.ai also has an SEO tool to check your score and make sure you follow the recommendations. Make your SEO score 100% optimized in order to rank your content higher on search engines. That's not all. Typely.ai also has a built-in SEO analytics tool to search for keywords, volume, competition, with a detailed history from previous years. You cannot go wrong here. Typely.ai also offers Chrome and Mozilla browser extensions to help maximize your browser experience with an instant content generation tool. All you need to do is add your extension based on your preferred browser and log in to Typely.ai. You will be able to access the app straight from your email inbox, Google Docs file, or any other website to easily generate the content from Typely.ai and paste it onto its destination. You thought it's over? Certainly not. Typely.ai has a WordPress plugin created specifically to ease the process of writing long-form blog posts. The plugin can be downloaded from your Typely.ai account and added to your WordPress in no time. Don't delay it anymore. Do yourself a favor and start using Typely.ai today.
We all know how much time it can take to create content. And when you're juggling between writing for your blog, social media, landing pages, ads, emails, videos, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we built Copy.ai. With Copy.ai, you can quickly generate product descriptions, website copy, social media posts, and so much more. Here's how it works. Name your project so you can save and organize what you create. Pick the tool for the content you need to generate. Describe your idea or product in the description box. Click the green Create button and wait for your results to show. Browse the results and make any edits you need. Finally, save your favorite results to your project. With over 70 tools, Copy.ai can help you make just about any content you need. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock your creativity and start saving yourself hours of work. Try out Copy.ai for 7 days, totally free.